Hey guys, so in this video I'll show you how to hide any folder in desktop through CMD, hide and unhide. So let's get started. First of all, we'll open command prompt. Then we will change the directory to anywhere you want. So as my folder is in desktop, so I'll write my directory at desktop. Then just type the following and the folder name, so it will do it. It's attrib plus h plus s plus r and the folder name, and simply just press enter. So when you see in my desktop, the confidential folder has vanished, and you can just simply bring it back by typing attrib minus h minus s minus r and the folder name. As you can see guys, the folder is back, which means all the data is saved. So you can do this for just hiring your competition information from others.